The Wonderland Chunky Cabled Scarf knitting kit. We were lucky enough to get a shipment full of yarn from the Oscar de la Renta warehouse that closed recently in New York City. And we have this stunning yarn. It's Italian yarn. It's 60% wool and 40% Angora. It's called Tripoli, and it comes in this gorgeous pale icy blue color. And because the yarn is chainette construction, it is warm and it's soft, but it's not heavy. So you can make with 3 skeins, that's what comes in this kit, 3 skeins, you can make an 88-inch long scarf. The kit comes with the needles, size 11 needles, and it comes with 3 hanks of yarn plus the pattern. If you already have the needles, you can get the kit without. And again, that's free shipping right in the US.